Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. This video I will show you to create a product marketing video using AI. Here you can go and type chatgpt.com. Now I have some products I want to create the marketing video. Let me go, and here I can see that image, product images. So I want to create the video for this product. Now let me go back and then add the image file, this one, and then select the product image. Here you can type anything. Give me a prompt for 20 seconds video, each scene 10 seconds. Don't add any extra text. User guidance. I need to create high converting product marketing video using Google Flow. Within a couple of seconds you will get prompts. Let me scroll down. Here you can see scene 1, 0 to 10 seconds. Then for the next 10 to 20 seconds. Prompts are ready. Now you can go and after that type Google Flow. Then you can open this website flow.google. Also you can see here labs.google. So you can get 50 credits on daily basis. After that, if you want to use it regularly, then you can get the pro. After that, click here try now button. And then select your Google account. Okay, that's done. Here you can see this one I am using pro. Remaining credits are 555. After that, select this one, new project. Now you can add that image here, upload media, and then select that image, this one. So make sure that image is uploaded here. After that, we can add this image, add to prompt. Now let me go back and copy the prompt, first prompt from the ChatGPT, this one. Just copy it, and after that add the prompt here. Now you can select for the short video, for the long video. So product videos are mostly created for the short videos. So we can keep this one 916. After that, here you can select number of outputs. Then you can select the time duration, 8 second, 10 second. So after doing that, you will spend 15 credits for this one video. After that, select this one. Now here you can see video is creating. So once it will complete 100%, then video will be completely generated. Now for the next, again I can add this one. After that, just copy next prompt. So just I can copy this one, and then again add the prompt here. Then settings is the same, select this one. Now two videos are creating, so just we need to wait for a minute. Here you can see now videos are ready. Now we can play one of the video. Okay, that looks fine. After that, here we can save these videos in our laptop. So this one is the first video. Okay, that's done. Now I can go and rename this file part 1. Now let me go back and then select this one, then click download button, select this one 720. Okay, that's done. Now I can close this one, then go back and then rename this file part 2. You can create more and more parts. Each part will be 10 seconds. Now let's go back. You can use any of the video editing software. So if you want to use this one, CapCut, you can also use that. So let me open that. Now click here, create project. After that, you need to import that video parts. Just select this one, then this one. After that, click open. Now we need to add these parts to the timeline. So this, and then add these into the timeline. So part 1 is here, then part 2 is here. Now what we can do, after that drag the part 2 here, then drag the part 1 before part 2. After that, that works fine. So now you can do and just perform basic settings, and after that click export button. Then you can add the file name, for example mobile stand marketing video. Then you can select the directory where you want to save this file. After that, here you can select the resolution up to 4K. Then after that, click export button. So this one is the actual result. Okay, that looks fine. In this way you can easily create product marketing videos. 11/11 sales and Christmas sales are coming. So just you can start your online stores and get sales and make money online.